Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install VirtualBox 7.1 on Debian Linux operating system. First to open any browser, go to VirtualBox official website, that is virtualbox.org. Hit enter. See here, VirtualBox is general purpose full virtualization software for x86 64 hardware targeted at laptop, desktop, server and embedded use. So click on download. See here we have the VirtualBox platform packages for VirtualBox 7.1. Okay, click on Linux distributions. See here the supported operating systems are Debian 12 and 11. So if you are on 11, you can select Debian 11. If you are on 12, select Debian 12. Okay, so based on your operating system, you can select. See, once we click on download, has been started. See here it is .debian package. Now open terminal, verify more /etc os-release. See, I am on Debian 12. Okay, Control L. See, download not yet completed. See, download is completed. Now go to downloads directory, cd downloads ls. See here we have the VirtualBox 7.1 Debian package. So install it by running the command sudo dpkg-i, then give the Debian package name, that is VirtualBox. Give the tab to autofill the Debian package name and hit enter. Then provide the password of sudo user. See, it is success. Now go to start, then click on show applications. See, click on this arrow one more time. See, if you have more, see at the end we have the Oracle VirtualBox. Click on it. After see, this is the Oracle VirtualBox. Okay, so after installation, remove this .debian package. So remove, give the tab, hit enter. LSC, it is cleared. Okay, now go to VirtualBox manager, maximize it. This is the VirtualBox manager. If you want to create new virtual machine, you have to click on new or machine and select new. Both are same. Suppose if you want to create new virtual machine for the Windows or any Linux operating systems, just click on new, then provide name. I'm going to show you for the Ubuntu. Just give the name for the virtual machine, then select the path, then select the downloaded ISO file. See, if you don't have ISO file, we can see I don't have any file. Okay, then click on see, then later we can attach the ISO file. So and see, type is Linux and subtype Ubuntu, version number 64-bit. Okay, then click on next. Then here we have to provide CPU and number of processors. Then click on next. Then here we have to provide hard disk size. Okay, then click on next. This is a summary, so click on finish. See, once we have downloaded the virtual machine, just you have to click on optical drive, then choose a disk file, then we have to attach the file. Okay, this is the way to attach. Once we attach the ISO file, then you have to click on start. Okay, then we will use the inputs to install Ubuntu or any operating system. You can go through my YouTube channel. There I have made for almost all operating systems to create virtual machine on VirtualBox. Okay, if you want to download, for example, Ubuntu machine, Ubuntu ISO file, go to ubuntu.com, then click on Ubuntu, then select server or desktop edition. Suppose if you install server, you have to select server, then download Ubuntu desktop, then you have to click on download. Okay, let me click on it. See, download has been started. See here it is ISO file. See the extension at the end, 64.iso. Okay, I'm cancelling this one. Just I want to show you how to download a ISO image. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Oracle VirtualBox on Debian operating systems. For more Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.